The owner, guys, and the boss, the big boss.
Well, I don't know about that, but I'm trying to keep it running. Here we are at Chi-Town Union Station. This was my dad's, all his volunteers and friends that got together and helped him create this magnificent little world. It's quite an undertaking. There's hundreds of trains on here and thousands of feet of track, 12,000 to be exact. All computer operated and a lot of maintenance. So let's take a walk around and go upstairs and turn the computer on. So as we go this way, this is heading out to the west, heading out from Chicago. Well, this is the western mountains on the way out to Los Angeles back in the 40s. This is Chi-Town, this is Chicago, this is the yard coming out of Chicago Union Station. Used to be the hub of all railroads back in the 40s and 50s, 60s, 70s, which is what this layout is modeled after. That was my dad. Then you come upstairs where the control center is. You look around, we'll get a little different perspective. Down here you can see tracks that you can't see down there. The computers and the cameras on. There's the camera so we can see some of the other spots. There it is. You can zoom in. Click, that's the airport. And this is down underneath. Oops.
So you have to start now to run the some of the train.
So here's the control. Whoops, that's not the right one. This is the one I want. Railroad and Company Train Controller. This is how we log what we ran yesterday. This is the trains that ran yesterday. I was the dispatcher yesterday, or most of the day anyhow. Find my glasses so I can read. So here on the computer screen, it tells you how to what trains to run. Right now I'm in the Hayes Bridge block, so that's one block that goes around and over the big bridge. It's got two trains on it that you can run. Unfortunately, both of those trains aren't working too well right now, so I can't run that loop today, or at least not yet. But then you can look at some of the other blocks, the B&O block, the backyard block, and then you follow those over and they'll go to another block and goes all over the place. There's so many different railroads here. We go to the main switchboard. And this one has been running pretty good. So that might be our first test, but I'm not going to do it right now. It's a little early yet. This one is one that's missing, and I think this one is also missing now. Let's see. So the 4430, where is that? Here.